our objective is this research aims to investigate the impact of extracurricular activities of grade 11 STEM students in Santa Lucia High School. But first, ano po ang katanungan ng pag-aaral po ba? What do you think are the advantages of participating in extracurricular activities?
I think one of the advantages of extracurricular activities is you can get experiences from them, and you can learn a lot from them, and as well as you can get extra grades.
Number two, what do you think are the disadvantages of participating in extracurricular activities?
One of the disadvantages is strict time schedule. So especially if you're dealing with strict schedules, you can get overwhelmed with the workload in your normal activities as well as the extracurricular.
Number three, what types of extracurricular activities are you involved in, and why did you choose them?
I'm involved in the astronomy business. I chose that extracurricular activity because for me, astronomy is very interesting, and it piqued my interest and enjoyed it.
Number four, can you describe your responsibilities or roles that in lines to your extracurricular activities?
My responsibilities or roles are review the study materials that the reviewer gave to us, as well as understand them in depth, because quiz-based requires a lot of studying and mastering of the lessons.
Last question, what do you think is the effects in joining extracurricular activities?
One of the effects is you can get experience, you can learn from them, you can get extra learning, like outside of your normal activities.
That's all.